Hey guys, this right here is awesome. I've been testing it out for a while. I love it. I love the size of it. This is a voice recorder, but let me tell you, it works great. And I'm actually shocked at how easy it is and how clear it sounds. So I'm going to walk you through every single thing of how it sounds, how I record it, the fast forward, turning it on, all that good stuff. But I wanted to let you know the seller sent this to me to give an honest review. And I will tell you honestly, I'm very impressed with it. So let's get started. So another thing I want to show you is on the back here, you have the little sort of cheat sheet of different things for the menu buttons, and then you've got the play on the front, you've got the recording on the side, and I'm gonna test it out in just a second. This gives you 30 hours of recording, which is incredible. So if you're in school and you wanna record lectures, or maybe you're even going to a doctor's appointment that's really important and you need to remember all the details, something like this would be very handy for you. I mean, there are 1,000 different uses for this, right? The other thing is it's an MP3 player, so you can download your music onto it, and it comes with headphones and you can listen to music. So that's pretty cool too, but it's so handy. It fits right into your pocket and it picks up sound really well. But let me show you how it works. Okay, here's a look at everything that comes with a kit. Of course, you have your instruction manual to walk you through everything. You have your USB and your charging port there. You also have a set of headphones, which is pretty cool. You've got your 2 cords here for connection. And then here is the size of the actual recorder. So it's not very big. This is perfect to fit in your pocket, and it's very easy to use. So let me show you how it sounds. Okay, very simple to turn on. See the play button here? We're just going to hold that down and it's going to turn on. Now we have no file recorded. Let's record a file. So now we're recording, and I'm going to play this back so you guys can hear it. One thing I'll say is that the recording screen, the little digital screen, is incredibly clear, very easy to read, and very impressive. I was not expecting it to be that nice. So this is a really quality piece. So let's stop that recording, and you can see that it's saved. Now let's play it back. So now we're recording, and I'm going to play this back so you guys can hear it. One thing I'll say is that the recording screen, the little digital screen, is incredibly clear, very easy to read, and very impressive. I was not expecting it to be that nice. So this is a really quality piece. So let's stop that recording. You can press the little V button here on the top, and that you can control the volume. So on the side here, the little up and down. It's incredibly easy to use, guys. This is meant to be a quick, easy to use item. And there's other features like you can fast forward it, you can rewind it. You just want to follow the instructions. It's a piece of cake. Everything is kind of written out for you here, of recording it, pushing up and down on the side, so you can just have it in your pocket if you want to. Press record really fast, stop recording. It's for ease of use there. You can see here, you short press, playback mode. You can repeat it. There's just a lot of different options, but once you get the hang of it, it's as easy as possible.